What's up, guys? You guys know who it is, you know what it is. It's cardperfect, your boy. Now today we're going to be going into the reveal video on how to do last week's card trick. So now if you want to see how to do last week's card trick, there's two things you gotta do. One, you gotta have to actually see it. So if you haven't seen the trick already, go ahead. I'll have that trick right up there. It's also just the last video. Put it down in the description too. The other thing is, make sure to go subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, you're gonna miss out on all my great content. Now let's get into this reveal right now. Alright, now on to the reveal. So go ahead and let the spectator shuffle up the cards, but at some point make sure you get a peek at the bottom card. So what I did in the performance was I just turned this over like this and caught a peek at that bottom one. So in this case it is the 9 of clubs. So you're gonna let that spectator cut the cards, so it's hopefully about 13, and it's really completely free choice on where they cut it. No crypt cards needed. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that 9th card, and you show them that it is the 2 of spades. You're not going to take a look at that. Set it back on top of that pack of 9, and then cut it somewhere to the middle, making sure it's past the 9 cards. Now what that's going to do is, you're going to be looking through the cards, saying that you're going to pick out 3 of them, and you're going to find that card that you saw that was yours. So, you see that 9. Now, what you're going to do is, the first card you're going to pick out is the one right before it. So I'm going to pick out the 8 of clubs. Set that down. Now I'm going to count through 9 cards, because that's how many they had. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I know their card is a 2 of spades. I'm going to set that down. Then I can go back a couple, and let's say I pick out the 8 of hearts. Now at this point, this is where I made my really awful joke about making a card sandwich. So you're going to take the first one and just set it down about halfway out jogged from the deck. Take one from the other pile, set it down. Now you want to make sure that the reason you have to have this card second is because it needs to be in the middle of these 3 cards. So their card needs to be second. And I'll show you why that is in a moment. Now what's going to happen is you're just going to take these, you're going to make sure you put pressure down right on the top and bottom of this pack, and you're going to hit it, that way the cards come out. Now the way this is actually going to work, if you're interested, and you can do it once, saying like I think I got this, and then the second time is when it's actually going to come out as the 2 of spades. But the reason that works is because when you're putting it like this, you're putting in 3 cards just like so. So what's going to happen is the pressure of these 2 cards is going to push out these, and then the 2 cards are going to come up. But then when you push these 2, it's really just whatever's going to be in between. So in between these 3 that you put in, it's going to be these 2. So now it's going to look like this coming out the top. Now when you put pressure on these 2, the only one that will come up is their card. And that is how you reveal their card. Now make sure when you're actually doing this that you you pretend that you didn't get it right. So, and you'll actually see, if you want to know exactly how I did it, you can just make sure you check out that performance. So make sure you check that out, and if you did like this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video. And comment down below what kind of thing you want to see me do next time, whether it be a card trick, or a reveal of someone else's trick, or honestly, what would happen if you just wanted to send me a trick that I could do for you guys. So if you have this trick, you're like, oh my word, I love this trick, you have to do this on camera. Do a video on it, send it to me, just like something like this, where it's both the performance and tutorial. Send that to me, and just put the link down in the description. Say, hey, this is what I want you to do, and then I will do that on camera and give you a little shout out. Let me know. So, thank you guys for watching. This is cardperfect, signing off.